Picture this. 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system was a swirling tempest of creation and destruction. Vast clouds of hydrogen, helium, and heavier elements spun around a newborn sun, their particles colliding, sticking, and growing into ever larger clumps. These clouds of dust and gas circled the sun, merging and colliding in a cosmic ballet, igniting bursts of light and energy that pierced the darkness. Over millions of years, gravity sculpted these fragments into planetesimals, building blocks of worlds. In the heart of this chaos, Earth emerged, a seething, molten sphere, its surface bombarded by asteroids and comets, its core churning with radioactive heat. Volcanoes erupted relentlessly, spewing gases that would one day form the planet's first atmosphere. But Earth's story was far from complete. Its surface was unstable, its skies thick with carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia, a hostile world waiting for transformation. Enter Theia, a rogue protoplanet roughly the size of Mars, hurtling through the solar system on a fateful collision course with young Earth. When Theia struck, the impact unleashed unimaginable energy, enough to melt vast regions of both worlds, vaporize mountains, and send a colossal plume of molten rock and metal hurtling into orbit. The very crust of Earth was torn asunder, and the planet's tilt was forever changed. Imagine mountains vaporized in an instant, oceans of lava flung skyward, and a glowing ring of debris encircling the battered planet. The aftermath was a world remade by fire and force. From this chaos, something extraordinary began. Gravity, ever the sculptor, pulled the debris together, grain by grain, until a new world began to take shape, a glowing molten moon, born from the wreckage. The newborn moon was a seething sphere of magma, orbiting close to Earth, its surface a sea of fire and impact craters. Over millions of years it radiated heat into space, its crust slowly solidifying, while meteorites continued to pummel its face, leaving scars that remain to this day. As the moon cooled, it drifted farther from Earth, its orbit stabilizing. The once molten surface solidified, forming the highlands and dark Maria we see today, a silent witness to its violent origins. Meanwhile, Earth began to heal. The relentless bombardment slowed, and the planet's surface cooled. Volcanic eruptions released steam and gases, thickening the atmosphere and setting the stage for a new transformation. As temperatures dropped, water vapor condensed, falling as torrential rain for thousands of years. Oceans pooled in the planet's lowlands, and the first hints of life began to stir in these primordial waters. Through it all, Earth and Moon remained bound together. The Moon's gravity stabilized Earth's tilt, preventing wild swings in climate and giving rise to predictable seasons. The Moon's pull created tides, stirring the oceans and shaping coastlines. These tidal rhythms may have been crucial for the emergence of life, concentrating organic molecules and driving cycles of wet and dry that sparked the first living cells. Without the Moon, Earth's axis would wobble wildly, leading to extreme climate shifts and perhaps preventing complex life from ever taking hold. The Moon's presence brought stability, rhythm, and the conditions for evolution to flourish. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, Earth and Moon are cosmic siblings, forged in fire and chaos, bound by gravity, and partners in a dance that has shaped the destiny of our world for billions of years. Their story is written in every tide, every season, and every living thing that calls Earth home.